I have a no start issue after changing the timing chain. There is no error code. I don't find a solution for this. I just did it today, and if you guys know, please help.